Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bootstrap with Wix, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your Wix account and navigate to the website where you want to install Bootstrap. Click on the Edit Site button to access the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, find the plus Add button to open the Add menu. From the Add menu, scroll down and select Embed. Choose the Embed HTML. Drag and drop the Embed HTML element to your desired location on the page. Click on Enter Code to open the code input box. Now, go to the Bootstrap website and copy the Bootstrap CDN link for the CSS file. In the code input box, paste the link you copied earlier, wrapped in a link tag. Your code should look like this: link rel equals stylesheet ref equals https://stackpath.bootstrap.com/bootstrap.css/bootstrap.min/css. Next, access the site settings by clicking on Settings in the left menu. In the Settings menu, select Tracking and Analytics. Click on New Tool and choose Custom from the drop-down menu. In the code input area, paste the Bootstrap JavaScript CDN link wrapped in a script tag. Your script should look like this: script src equals https://code.jquery.com/jquery3. Remember to set the tool to load on each page to ensure Bootstrap works across your site. Save your settings and exit the Settings menu. Go back to the Wix editor and preview your website. Test the Bootstrap components to ensure they are functioning correctly. If everything looks good, publish your changes to make the Bootstrap installation live. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Bootstrap on your Wix site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.